Dreaming of a more relaxed lifestyle, away from the GTA, the hustle, the bustle, the traffic, the pollution? Well, join me as I introduce you to the city of Welland. Here in the Niagara region is this great little town, this great little city that offers the perfect work-life balance that you could ever imagine. I'm Scott White. Along with my wife Ellen, we make up the realtors of the Living in Niagara with the Ellen and Scott team. And we love everything there is to do with Niagara. Every town, every city, we love the peaceful life, that work-life balance, and we are all about sharing that with you. Just in case you are thinking of making a move here to Niagara, we want to introduce you to every city today, Welland, to see if Welland might be the perfect place for you and your family to move to. Whether you're downsizing, or first-time home buyer, or helping your children find that first home, Welland is a great place to look into. Right now, I am on the Recreational Canal. More specifically, I'm at Welland's amphitheater on the water. This great amphitheater built right here on the Recreational Canal, where Welland hosts free concerts all throughout the summer, from June to September. Great bands, local bands, Ontario bands. People come all over the place from Welland and the Niagara region to enjoy concerts right here at this great venue with Welland Canal right behind it. But it is right here on what we call the Recreational Canal. And this is one of the epitomes that makes Welland fantastic and great to live in. Because not only do we have this recreational canal, we also have the Welland bypass, which is the operational canal. At one time, this canal here used to be operational. Ships would come up and down this canal. That bridge right there, oh, you can't see it because of the trees, but the bridge that was behind me earlier was a lift bridge, and the bridge would go up and go down to let the ships pass through and cause havoc for traffic trying to get through the city of Welland, because this canal came right through the city of Welland. So in 1973, they finished the bypass canal, decommissioned this canal, and made this into the recreational canal. And the operational canal, it has two tunnels, and it has locks opening and closing, letting these majestic ships pass through, bringing their cargo and their wares to everyone, millions of people across the Great Lakes. Hard-working operational canal mixed with the recreational canal, where you can actually train to become a gold medal Olympian in rowing or kayaking or scullying, if you may. Or maybe you're not into the competition of water sport. You just want to enjoy the leisurely time here on the canal, and you can do that. You can rent canoes and kayaks from the city of Welland for just a couple bucks. Or if you have your own, you can bring them along, jump on the canal here and have a leisure afternoon, paddleboarding, kayaking, or you can go along the Welland River, which, by the way, passes underneath the Welland Canal just a few meters away from the lift bridge there. It is a moving river, but not very fast. So you want a leisurely time along the canal, you can do that. Swimming in the canal, people doing it all the time. They have docks down here for you to swim off of. Fishing, I don't know if you saw the people standing on the shoreline there fishing. Great fishing on both canals, the operational, the recreational, and the river. So that's why I look at Welland as a great place for that perfect work-life balance. You can work hard and play well here in Welland. And traffic, very seldom do we ever have a traffic jam. 5 cars at a stoplight is a jam for us here in Welland. So if that is the kind of lifestyle you're looking for, if you're looking for that perfect work-life balance, Welland may be the perfect place for you. Ellen and I get calls every single day from people just like you looking to make Welland or other parts of Niagara region their home. If that's you, if you're looking at making a move in the next 9 days or 90 days or even 9 months, please do not hesitate to give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email, and we promise to make that transition extremely smooth and stress-free. So I'm going to interrupt my tour a little bit here and show you a house right here along the canal. I'm walking along doing our video, the introduction to our video, talking about Welland, talking about the perfect life balance between the canals here in Welland. So they're sitting on their front porch, right where you're sitting right now, see me walking by and they shout, "Hey, highlight this house for us," because it's for sale. So I said, hey, why not? This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home at about 1,800 square feet, beautifully professionally decorated inside with that great view I just showed you. They're asking right now $469,000 for the home. So if you're looking at buying a home with a great view like this, give Ellen and I a call and we can maybe make this one happen for you. And now I'm gonna bring you to some other areas here in Welland, some different neighborhoods to give you an idea of what your money can buy for you here in Welland. The first area is Crowland. So we're gonna jump in my car, drive over to Crowland. We're right here on the outskirts of it. We're part of it really right now. We're gonna go and look at some houses here in Crowland. So come on, let's go for a ride. The reason I want to start off with Crowland is because it is the most affordable area in all of Welland. Currently, we have 527 houses for sale in all of Welland. The average price of these homes is around $675,000. In Crowland, we currently have 117 homes for sale, and the average price of a home in Crowland is actually under $500,000, in around $495,000. Let's jump out of the car and take a look at this house here first of all. See, this house here behind me is a 2-bed, 1-bath bungalow, only 735 square feet of space and no basement, no garage. But it has been beautifully updated with modern finishes, and the price, you can't beat it at $389,000. So just think of it this way. You're a first-time home buyer, this is the area you want to take a look at. It's a mature area. It's been here for almost the beginning of Welland. They are not century homes, but they are some of the early homes built in this area. This is one of the early neighborhoods of Welland. Or maybe you are a Gen Xer like myself, and you are taking care of your kids. You know what I mean. The kids are living in a basement. They're not getting out of the house. The economy is not that great, and house prices are so expensive. You don't think your kids are going to ever leave your home. They're going to stay there forever until you die. Then they're going to take it over. Not if you move here to the Crowland area in Welland. You can buy this beautiful little house, $389,000, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, perfect starter home for your kids. Help them with the down payment, get them kicked out, move here yourself into a different area in Welland, paying $800,000, $700,000, even $500,000 or $1 million if you want to. And you can live close by to your kids and grandkids, get them out of the house, and everybody wins. So if you're thinking of doing something like that, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. Ellen and I are here to help make this transition and this assistance in getting your kids out of your home into their own home, smooth and stress-free. Or we have this house we're coming up to right now on a different street here in Crowland, but in the same neighborhood. This home here currently listed for only $649,900. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, almost 1,200 square feet of living space on a lot size of 28 by 100 square feet. It's got a full basement, partially finished, still no garage, but on a different street. And as you can see here, the homes here are a little bit different, a little bit larger, and they are running in the $600,000 to $700,000 range compared to the other home that we looked at in under $500,000, even $400,000 range. So that gives you a good idea of what the homes here are looking like, what the neighborhood here in Crowland is like. Crowland is historically a blue-collar area. A lot of the inhabitants of this area used to work at the old steel factories, Atlas and Stelco. Now these factories have long since closed up shop and moved on. Now there's a bunch of empty space there with some development going on in those areas. And this area here in Crowland has become a little bit more affluent. Still, as I said, prices are averaging under $500,000, but we're seeing a lot more new construction coming into this area. A lot more homes are becoming updated and renovated. So it's a great up and coming area, a great place to start for new home buyers. And on this street and the streets right nearby here, great for downsizing or the mid-range of homes in around $600,000–700,000. But now we're going to jump over to another area called Dain City. Historically, Dain City is similar to Crowland that we just came from, a blue-collar area where a lot of the inhabitants would work at the John Deere factory that ran here for many, many years. But it too has closed up its doors and moved on. There are plans for 1,400 new homes to be built in this area over the next 5 years. Therefore, it is in my opinion anyway, that Dain City is probably one of the best places to be looking into buying for an investment purposes. I don't mean buying and renting it. I mean buying it, living here in the next 5–10 years. Home prices in this area, I think, are going to go much higher than the rest of Welland simply because of the new building going on here. Like these homes here, right along the Recreational Canal. And there's still rowing competitions, and training happens right here outside your front door. So Dain City, as I said, is an island between the two canals. Right here, we're on the Recreational Canal, and all these homes along this road here face this canal. This house behind me right here is for sale, currently for sale. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,100 square foot home on a lot of 60 by 100 feet, listed at $669,900. A great little house, a great view of the Welland Recreational Canal. Before I take you on a tour of the last neighborhood we're going to show you here at Chippawa Park in Welland, I thought I'd introduce you to my good friend here, Ablan Leon. Say hi, Ablan.
Hi, how are you doing today, everyone there on Living in Niagara?
Oh, thanks, Ablan. Thanks for that plug. Yes. Did you know that Leon Furniture, the owner and founder of that company, was from Welland? You never know what tidbit of information that you're going to get when you visit us here at Living in Niagara. Chippawa Park, not just central to the Chippawa Park neighborhood in its physical location, but also in the sense of community here in this whole neighborhood. In the wintertime, this pond freezes up and we have people out there playing hockey and ice skating. Come out here at one time and a bunch of sticks were out there and the guys were saying, grab a stick, come play. Anyone and everyone, it doesn't matter your quality or skill level, even if you can skate. Here at Chippawa Park, there is beach volleyball leagues and tournaments and a great place for little kids. Oftentimes, my 2 daughters who live here in the area will give me a call and say, hey Dad, we're taking your grandkids over here to the park to play, over to the water park. If you're around, come and visit us. And you gotta believe it, if I've got the time, I sure try to make the time to come out here and spend some quality time with my grandkids and even my own kids here at Chippawa Park. There's a pavilion for picnics, and they'll have some community events will happen here and play their games out here in this great field. Chippawa Park is a huge park, beautiful location, and the homes around it are wonderful. The average house here in the Chippawa Park, average sale price or listing price, I should say, is around $690,000. And again, it is a more established area. You have old century homes, some newer homes here, beautiful architecture, full-grown trees and neighborhoods. This is really kind of a typical area in Welland. There are 2 houses I want to show you here that give us an idea of what you can get for your money, and they're right here by the park. So this house right here, right across from the park, is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,700 square foot living space on a 90 by 160 foot lot. Single car garage right here in Chippawa Park neighborhood in Welland, listed right now for $699,900. That is a very typical home here in Welland and in Chippawa Park. And the last house I'd like to highlight right here in Chippawa Park and in Welland for today's video is this house right here. 4-bed, 3-bath home, with 1,900 square feet of living space on a lot size of 60 by 127 feet. And it is currently listed for $739,900. So that's Chippawa, Dain City, Crowland areas, neighborhoods here in Welland. Very typical of the homes that you can find here in Welland. Crowland, as I said, being one of the least expensive areas to live in, but there are areas also in Crowland that are typical to the rest of Welland, like right here, house prices in around $650,000 average. Dain City, a great place to look into for long-term investment, seeing the value of your house increasing rather quickly there. And this area here that we are in, Chippawa Park, happens to be where Ellen and I live. So if this is the area you're looking for, if this is the kind of lifestyle you're thinking of, if this is the price of homes that excites you, maybe you could be one of our neighbors. But before we end our video, you know what we do. Come with me and I'll introduce you to today's hot spot, local favorite, gem of the day. Right here along the Welland River, and the Welland Canal is just over here, located close to downtown, is the Black Sheep Coffee Roasters, or as a lot of us here in town call it, the Black Sheep Coffee Lounge. This is a super chill environment to come for a great cup of coffee. If you're looking for a freshly brewed, eco-friendly cup of coffee, you can't beat the Black Sheep. I don't think there is a Wellander that has lived in Welland for 2 weeks that has never heard or tried a coffee here at the Black Sheep. It's that well known. So let's go inside Black Sheep Coffee Lounge and order myself my coffee and treat, show you around, and then wrap up today's video. Here we are inside the Black Sheep. As I said, super chill, great vibe. Get your own merch as well. Here we go. My blueberry scone and iced chai tea latte. The Black Sheep is surely the place to come to visit, especially if you're coming down here to view some houses. And if you're looking at doing that in the next 9 days or 90 days, you know what I'm going to say. Shoot Alan and I a text, an email, or even a phone call, and we will make your transition as smooth as possible and stress-free. Thanks again for watching our video today. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you can be one of the very first people to hear of anything happening here in the Niagara region. I'm going to enjoy my blueberry scone, and until next time, hope you can find that perfect work-life balance that we have here in the Niagara region.